and in this video I'll be showing you how to use crates. So first of all, you need to get a crate packer that you can easily get in the hub. So let me just show you it. And there's also a new person that you can sell crates to, and you can also buy a crate packer from over there. So let's just get over there. So over here near the seeds, you have a wholesaler, Don. So F-Talk, view shop, and then you can buy a crate, one crate packer for 10,000. Crate of wheat, tomatoes, onions, crate of carrots. I have 7 crates, and if you're knowing how to get a crate auto farm, then it's not too easy. So first of all, if you want like carrots, then you need 2 carrot totems, 1 coal totem in conveyor belts, industrial washing station, and finally any chest, like an input-output chest or an industrial chest, not a medium chest. So let's get going. I'm gonna be making a carrot crate auto farm instead of any others. So load, 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 load. Okay. So over here you have to place your carrot totem near carrot seeds. So what I do is I'd first put an industrial washing station. Well, first you should put a conveyor belt, then an industrial washing station. Oh no. And then place 2 carrot totems. One over here. And then place a coal totem. How about over here? And then from here, place a crate packer. Okay. And then from there, place an input-output chest. Input-output chest. Yeah, it's really hard to place one of these. Okay. So now soon you should see that we are getting carrots. What? Yeah, through a totem you only get oily carrots, oily crops, so then you need an industrial washing station to automatically make them clean. And then through the crate packer, if you take 100 carrots, then it'd go in input output chest and you'll have a crate. And also in this update, there's rabbits that you can only get into the winter. I currently have 0 rabbits, and it's also supposed to be raining. So that's all. Bye.